All right, explorers, we have learned how to select information, choose the correct notebook using from, filter the rows using where, and arrange the results using order by. But sometimes we want to look at the information in another way. Instead of looking at every order separately, we may want to collect similar information together. That is where the group by statement comes in. Group by helps the computer place similar records into groups. Let me give you the first example. Suppose we want to see all the tomatoes that belong to each customer. We can write something like this. Select customer name, tomato size, tomato color. From customer orders table. Where tomato color is red. Group by customer name. When the computer shows the results, the orders will appear grouped by customer. So the tomatoes for Mama Chica will appear together. Then the tomatoes for Mama Remy will appear together. Then the tomatoes for Mama BC will appear together. That is how group by customer name works. Now let us try another example. Instead of grouping by customer, we can group by tomato size. We can write something like this. Select tomato size customer name. From customer orders table. Group by tomato size. Now the computer will group the results by tomato size. All the big tomatoes will appear together in one group. All the small tomatoes will appear together in another group. So the results are organized by the size of the tomatoes. So explorers, imagine we are standing in the market. Instead of putting all the tomatoes in one basket, we separate them. One group for big tomatoes, another group for small tomatoes. Or we can group them by customer name, placing each customer's tomatoes in their own basket. That is exactly what group by does. It helps the computer organize the information into clear groups so we can understand it easily. Great job learning that. Now it's time for the fun part. The practice. You're going to try it yourself and see how it really works. You'll be interacting with DataCrew's SQL tutor by sending in your SQL statements. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how we learn and get better. Ready to give it a try? Let's jump into the practical world. Hello, great explorers. It's time to sing our favorite song, the SQL song. Ready to sing? Let's go!
Select, select what we need, what we need, what we need. Select, select what we need from the table here. Where we choose the rows we want, rows we want, rows we want. Where we choose the rows we want, pick them nice and clear. Group by puts them all in groups, all in groups, all in groups. Group by puts them all in groups, neat and tidy rows. Having checks the groups we made, groups we made, groups we made. Having checks the groups we made, keeps the ones we like. Order by will sort it out, sort it out, sort it out. Order by will sort it out, A to Z or size. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer, let's all cheer. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer. We're data stars today. Select, select what we need, what we need, what we need. Select, select what we need from the table here. Where we choose the rows we want, rows we want, rows we want. Where we choose the rows we want, pick them nice and clear. Group by puts them all in groups, all in groups, all in groups. Group by puts them all in groups, neat and tidy rows. Having checks the groups we made, groups we made, groups we made. Having checks the groups we made, keeps the ones we like. Order by will sort it out, sort it out, sort it out. Order by will sort it out, A to Z or size. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer, let's all cheer. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer. We're data stars today.
Great job, explorers. Remember, we already picked the red and big tomatoes for each customer's order, and then we used group by to organize the tomatoes by each customer's name. That way, each customer can quickly find their own order, nice and easy. So remember, group by helps us group and organize data, just like sorting tomatoes for each customer. Amazing work today. Keep it up, explorers. Awesome job finishing the lesson. Now it's time for a quick quiz. This is your chance to show what you've learned and have some fun. Don't worry, just try your best and remember, every question helps you get better. Ready? Let's go.